we picked the perfect day to go and get our new car. It's rainy out, but at least it's not really cold. But we're on our way to get our tow vehicle so we can bring it back to our house. We're borrowing my grandfather's van, a big old purple 96 Ford E150. So that'll be fun. Subaru doesn't have a tow hitch, otherwise we'd use it. But should be a fun day. Hopefully the weather will clear up by the time we get there to get it. The mystery vehicle. So have fun. We'll see that in a bit. While visiting Whitney's uncle last fall, he asked us if we knew anyone interested in a Corvair. Of course, our ears perk up, and we follow him out to his garage to see which Corvair in his collection was being offered. Whitney's uncle had 5 Corvairs in his collection, each one in a different flavor, and he was offering us a very special one. It was his 1961 Corvair Lakewood station wagon, only made in 1961 and 1962. Over 30,000 were made over the 2-year production, this being one of 2,000 offered with the powerglide transmission. Whitney's uncle used it as his daily driver while he attended nursing school. He bought it in the late 70s from a dealer that was just down the street from where Whitney and I now live. Whitney and I hitched it up to the purple van and began towing it back to our house so we could start working to resuscitate this obscure wagon. Once we got it home, we began the arduous task of navigating it down our long and narrow driveway into the garage so we could start working on it.
Yeah, we're gonna unhook it, pull the van forward.
Our driveway was too steep to back it in, so it required some interesting maneuvering in the backyard. Once we had the Lakewood in place, we began to see if we could breathe some life into the old thing. So we're trying to see if we can get the Corvair to run here. I'm pressurizing the fuel system. Hopefully we can get it to run for just a little bit here. So I'm trying to pump some fuel into the float holes of the carburetors. I don't know if you can kind of see me behind the little panel here in the Corvair, but it's raining outside right now. But we're gonna get it. So,
And Matthew and I are just chilling.
Yeah, so I'm dribbling just a little bit of fuel down the throats of the carburetors. Carburetors, there's 2. And then we're gonna see if it's gonna run. So, all right, we have the 61 Corvair Lakewood station wagon at home. Now finally, it's sun's gone down, it's raining still. But I've done a little bit of finagling with it, and we're gonna see if it'll start. So come on, let's see if we can get this thing to fire up. Come on. Matthew's behind the wheel here. He's going to turn the ignition for me.
Hey, Matthew.
And we come around the back here a little bit. Here you can see some things jerry rigged up here just to make it happen. But Matthew, you want to go ahead and give it a fire?
Yep, here we go.
Oop, hold on, switch sides. Let's try one more time. Time, Matthew?
Yep.
Okay, one more try. We're going to get this. I think it's working! The rain began to pick up, so we decided to throw in the towel. We pushed the Corvair into the garage so it could wait for us until we could get to it on a better day. But the good news is, the Lakewood did run. Alright, I've got the Corvair put away in the little shop. It just barely fits. But the rain started to pick up, so we had to call it quits for today. But it does fire, it does turn over. I think we got something to do with the fuel system, so we're going to try to get some of the bad gas out of the tank.
double check, make sure the fuel pump works. I'll probably end up putting some kind of electric pump on these, just because, you know, if they set up for a while, an electric pump's a whole lot easier to get primed and get things turning over a little bit faster. And probably take apart the carbs, clean those up a bit. But yeah, this is the mystery car. The mystery car, and it is now officially our largest classic car, even though it's not too tiny. So stay tuned for the more updates on this. This is a pretty simple project, so we should be able to knock this one out pretty quick. So we'll have it on the road really soon. All right, we'll get back at you later. Thanks for watching.